Alright guys, I am back with another cooking video. Today we're going to do something simple, easy, fun, and deliciousness. So I have here a deep dish pie crust from Pillsbury. I have chicken that's chopped up. I have broccoli and cauliflower. And I have two types of cheeses here. Jewel brand cheddar jack cheese, a blend of cheddar and Monterey Jack. And I have this cheese here. This is from the Killing Store. Colby Jack, Colby, and Monterey Jack cheeses. And what I am making today is a chicken, broccoli, and cauliflower pie. Now, you guys may think, you hear that and it's like, that's crazy. Chicken, broccoli, and cauliflower pie. Well, wait until you see how we do it. And it's very tasty. Now, if you are meat lovers, like my husband and my son, you can use a lot of chicken. But if you are a vegetarian, or let's say you don't eat meat, you can just go with broccoli and cauliflower or whatever vegetables you like. You don't have to just use these. This is what I'm making. My husband loves broccoli, and I just added some cauliflower in there. So the first thing I'm going to do is, and it's already done, so the only thing, the cauliflower, broccoli, and chicken is already done. So the only thing I have to do is to put everything in the oven until the crust brown, and then I'm going to add some cheese to the top. So we're going to put a layer of cheese on the bottom. And cooking can be fun and easy, and anybody can cook and make it taste good if you know how to put things together. Now, I don't do anything fancy. My family don't like eating fancy. I don't do anything fancy. I just do regular cooking. So we're doing a layer of cheese. And I'm going to add some chicken in here. So I'll probably end up making about 8 of these. And then whatever's left over, I'm going to make rice. And I'm going to have chicken, broccoli, cheese, and rice for dinner. So we're going to put this chicken in here. I'm going to pinch it up and cover the bottom. Just like this. Real simple and easy. And trust me, guys, this is deliciousness at its best. So we're going to do that. And then I'm going to add another layer of cheese. Don't have to be a lot. Another layer of cheese because I like to have cheese all the way through. Maybe we'll add a little bit more chicken. Put a little bit of chicken. Fill in the blank spots, right, guys? We got all this chicken. We don't have to be cheap with it, right? So there we go. Add here, a little bit here, and some on this end as well. There we go. There we go. That looks good. Yep. All right. Add the rest of this cheese in here. It's not that much. And now I am going to add some of this on top. Some broccoli and cauliflower. And I'm telling you guys, try it before you knock it. This is going to be very, very tasty. Very tasty. So we're going to add this on the top. And I'm going to put this in the oven on a preheated oven. The pie crust instructions say 400 degrees. And I am going to let it bake until the crust is brown. Then I'm going to add some cheese to the top and let it melt. A whole layer of cheese to the top and let it melt. Then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Put a little bit on this end. Just like this, guys. Now, when you're making this, you can use whatever vegetables you want. You could just use onions and bell pepper. You can use broccoli. You can use a mix of broccoli and cauliflower. You can use the Normandy vegetable blend. You can make this any way you want. Use any vegetables you want to use. There we go. And I think I have every nook and cranny filled. Wait a minute, we got a little tinge over here that needs some attention. There we go. Okay, now this is ready to go in the oven and till it browns, till the crust browns, and then I'm going to add another layer of cheese on the top. Let's see if we can get a close-up. This is what it looks like, guys. Okay, I'll be back. And this is what it looks like, guys. Fresh out of the oven. Look at that gooey cheese. Don't that look deliciousness, guys? Let's see if we can get a close-up. See if we can make it closer. Hold on, guys. There you go. See, guys, what I did was at the end, I added some shredded cheese and a little bit of hot peppers. They come diced up. You can buy them in a jar at the store. The chicken came from Jules. 3 large pieces for $4 and some cents. Don't that look deliciousness, guys? Now tell me your family wouldn't love to eat this. Cheese all the way through. Yeah, you thought I was going to say the other thing, didn't you? Now tell me that's not enough to feed a hungry belly. Happy eating.